I'm going essentialist for 2 weeks, but I'm also going to the beach. Check it out. Hey guys, it's Nick Vasesi. Please like and subscribe and comment and do all the things while you're down there. Please, it helps out a lot. And let's get right into the video. I'm going on vacation for the next 2 weeks, and since I've been experimenting with minimalism more, I'm going to use this opportunity to really go super minimalist and see what I can do with it. I mostly just want to see if I'm actually able to do it. Fair warning, I'm going to cheat. So I already got rid of most of my stuff when I moved to Bloomington, or as much of it as I could. But in this experiment, I want to go a little bit further. Now this does not mean I'm going to live like a monk for the next 2 weeks. Basically what minimalism is just getting all the things that you know you will need instead of overpacking. So sometimes thinking about minimalism with a little bit of a different word, it makes it a bit easier to comprehend and a little less scary. Called essentialism. Not really much for isms.
Isms, in my opinion, are not good.
But this one, I think it's pretty good. Basically means that you're only going to use the essentials that you actually need. And so I'm just going to be packing only the things that I need, using only the things I need. Hopefully by the end of the week, I will actually have used all the things that I brought instead of just packing extra stuff that I wouldn't actually need to use. So the way I'm going to start off by doing this, and I suggest you do the same, is just by listing out some of the things that you know you're going to need. That way you kind of forget about the things that you know you don't need. Just write exactly what's essential to your whole trip. So writing down that list, and that's kind of the same thing I did when I moved. I just wrote down all the things that I knew I needed. I put those in there and then kind of looked through everything else, realized what I did not need, which was a lot more than you might expect. So let's get our journals out and start listing out all the things that we know we need to go on vacation to the beach. I'm only bringing 2 bags. 2 bags are my backpack and another duffel bag, and that's all I'm bringing. As far as clothes go, I'm bringing 7 shirts because I have a washing machine. I figure that's all I need. Who knows though, we'll see. I'm nervous for this if I'm honest. So I'm probably gonna bring pretty much all of my pants and underwear because I don't have very many of them anyway. I actually found out the other day that I've been wearing the same shorts, not these shorts. I buy new shorts, but the same flower shorts that I wear, I've been wearing them for like 6 years or something. Yeah, like way too long to keep shorts around. So, okay, big tip here. Zipper pockets. Zipper pockets are the key to worry-free travel. Unfortunately, I lost my zipper pocket pants, so I'm gonna be very worried on this whole trip. Okay, also got a little bag of toiletries, and this is really the only reason I need to pay a ridiculous amount of money to check a bag, which I'm gonna check my duffel bag, and stupid razor blades, man. Just let them through. Shoes and socks. I'm bringing 2 pairs of shoes, my sandals and my tennis shoes for working out and just walking around and stuff. And socks. Probably don't need that many socks. What do you think? 3 pairs of socks? And then finally I'm gonna bring a sweatshirt for the plane because I get cold and I figure if it rains or whatever else I'm gonna bring. As far as the stuff goes in my backpack, I've got my laptop. I'm gonna bring my tripod, an adapter for my mic and the mic, my journal, a couple books. Oh, I'm also gonna bring this cool projector and little projector screen. I can fit it right on top of my tripod. It just screws right in. It's super cool. And you can make a cool movie. And yes, it is essential. I don't want to hear anything about that in the comments, Tony. Okay, thanks for watching, everybody. Make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't already. And leave a comment if you have any concerns about this, like I do, or if you have any problems becoming a minimalist. It can be kind of tricky. But it's all about just picking the things that you like and the things that you actually need and not using any of the other stuff. That's what you need to do. Check out my other videos. They're all on my channel. I've got stuff about what not to do when you wake up in the morning and how to journal and how to make your habits stick. They're awesome videos. Highly recommended.